Hello everybody, welcome back. I am FIREWORKVR, and we are in shmackle. Yeah, you guys are probably wondering, bro, stop making so many shmackle videos. Creator chain. Okay? I have to have at least 10 shmackle related content. 10 things related to shmackle content. And this is my fourth. After this, I'm gonna go to Gorilla Tag for a little while. Maybe make like one Battle Glide video. Then I'll come back for my final 6. Before I play shmackle like once in a while. Okay, so yeah. This game will always be like one of my favorite things in the world. This game is amazing, like awesome. Like you guys have really got to get this game if you don't have it already. Whee! I failed. Drip, drip, drippy drip. I called it drip, drip, drippy drip. I don't know if I showed you guys this last time, but yeah, I have that now. It's pretty cool. I have the light suit now. Oh yeah, and guys, how do you like my new logo? I worked really hard on it, so I hope you guys like it. It's meant to be like a mix of my old logo and my new logo. My newer one. The one before the one that I just got a few days ago. It was meant to be a mix of my first and second one. Mostly the second one, I just changed the background to match the first one, but, I think this one looks better. In case you guys are wondering how I make all that stuff, I use Canva. I'll make a video about all that stuff eventually. But for now, let's play shmackle. Let's go clap these guys' cheeks. Yeah. I punched him. What do you mean? Oh yeah. Time to die. Oh yeah. You guys are dying. I'm killing. You guys are dying so hard, man. You guys are dying so hard. Dog, you are dead. Dog. You guys are dog water, bro. Heh. Idiot, bro, sticking his tongue out. Robot, so dumb, IQ 21. He tried to make friends, but they call him ping. Yeah, I'm not gonna finish that. Oh! Dang, I'm clutching. Okay. Let's go here. Cool. Oh! Man, I'm so close to dying. 79, jeez. Okay, 24 kills. I'm so close to 1000 XP and 500 kills. Whee! Man, I don't know why the beginning of my last video was lagging. Man, it was lagging so hard the beginning of my last video. I'm just telling you guys, sorry about that. I just hate that. POV, when you hit something in your setup, your controller just goes flying across your room. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Good thing I have some stuff blocking it. I got my couch, my table, all that stuff. All that good juice, Big Daddy. Ooh, that juice. I don't know what the hell I'm doing right now. Why is the music still playing? Yeah, you guys got that little glimpse on my door. I don't know what was going on. The music just kept playing. It creeped the heck out of me, man. Creeped the absolute heck out of me. So I just leave. J-Man, fix that, please. When you go into the vent for like 1 second, then you leave, the music still plays. Sir, I'm not trying to pee my pants in my video. You'll see why I'm looking down. That's pretty cool. Okay, whatever. I'm not even recording on that, so I don't care. But yeah, that's kind of cool. You guys can't hear the music because I don't know why I got copyrighted in my first video, on my second video of shmackle that I had to delete. I'm pretty sure it's because of some of the music in shmackle. I don't know. I don't think it was my outro music or my intro music because I've been using that intro music forever and I've never gotten copyrighted on that. So, I don't know, really, but maybe it was my outro. I really don't know. Just to be sure, because, you know, that's why I don't do an intro or outro to my videos anymore. If you guys want, I might bring it back. Because I don't know if it was the intro. I don't think it was. But like, bro, the thing that almost deleted my channel. The thing that almost made me quit YouTube. Sir, that was mean. You're mean, Big Daddy. Oh, 3 kills. Does that count? No, that doesn't count. What? Bro, I have to be in there. I have to touch their yachts, man. I have to be in there or I don't get a kill. I would have had like 5. Ooh, zucchini. Zucchini. Bonito. Zucchini. Bonito. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. I had the zucchini. 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 I said zucchini. No. I'm mad. Good boy. Ooh, Big Daddy, that juice. Why am I not up there, sir? Do I have to change my logo again to have something with shmackle? Or change my username to have something involving shmackle? Cause I will. I can do it. Rizzler, that is me. Rizzler. I have Riz, yes, I have Riz. So much Riz. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but it's worth it. I mean, it's true. Oh, by the way, listen to the new banner. Subscribe or else. The URLs means I will be mewing under your bed. And, that's a good thing, but, I won't be mewing goodly. I'll be mewing in a bad way. You see those things up there? You're over. Bro, stop the yap. No offense, J-Man, just man. Why is the birthday stuff still there? J-Man, we got you. You're 22. Congratulations. Okay, guys, I have something big to announce. I have a really big video coming out on May 18th. You're gonna see why, okay? It's a Sunday, I know. But it is something big. 2 big things. One a short, one a long form video. You guys are gonna want to see. You guys are gonna want to stick around for that. So don't unsubscribe yet, because of my cringeness. Okay. I'm at. I Wee. Okay. Zucchini. Come on, zucchini, man. Come on, zucchini. 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 Nom nom. Mmm, so good and tasty. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I have something I think everyone is gonna be like so surprised about. Shut up, I don't care. Let's go. Okay, you see. Does anybody remember the J-Man Lamborghini thing I found? And in the I played shmackle and everything was different video I made? Yeah, well, I thought it was gone. Some awesome news. Oh. It's still here. Oh, there's no way. There's no way. Can I make it? Oh! Clutch. No. What the? Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. Still exists. I don't go up there no more. It's scary. Chippito, Chippito, I want to. I don't see your Chippito. When is this gonna be? Like, when is this actually gonna be released? Is this gonna work? I would like 1 order of your biggest taco, extra beans, with the bean fillet. Dang cool. The world just ends. No. Dang it, bro. Dang it, bro. I'm going the wrong way. Whee! No, bean fillet. You know, it's something weird. Like my I played Shmackle and everything was different video has the most likes out of any of my videos. But then the next video I did on Shmackle is doing terrible. 16 views and nobody's liked it. I mean, the first 2 Shmackle videos, everyone was just like going crazy over. Then they hear Shmackle 3rd time? Hell nah. Like, please, stick around for my content. I have so many hit or miss videos. Like the first 2 weeks in a row, I'm banging. The next week, I am sucking so hard. Then I either start my 2-week streak of being good, or I just have a 2-week streak of being bad. Let's see how good this video does. I say that, and then the next day I check it, and it has 0 views. And I waddled away, waddle, till the very next day, bum, 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 bum. I think the reason no one actually watched my, I played Shmackle, the 3rd Shmackle video, is because I didn't set it as a premiere. The first 2 were both premieres, which means everyone was actually kind of tuning in just to watch it. That one, it was not a premiere. It was scheduled. That's it. So I think this video is going to be a premiere. I think that's what I'm going to do. Well, yeah, guys, I think this is a good place to end off the video. How long have I been recording for? Whatever. Probably not that long. So thank you guys for watching. I'm FIREWORKVR. And don't forget to like or subscribe. Goodbye.